So here we have question number 12. A transport company maintains a fleet of buses, and what is the difference in this question? What we are doing today? The carrying capacity is different for the vehicles. Okay, we never had different carrying capacities. 30 buses are carrying 50 passengers each, 25 buses are carrying 40 passengers each. Each bus makes a round, 5 round trips, okay, covering a distance of 11 kilometers and in each trip. On an average, 80% of the seats are occupied. 5 buses are under repair every day. Now, iska calculation we'll see later. Fine, this will help us to obviously calculate our running kilometers. Then information is also available for salary of driver, that's your variable cost. Okay, salary of the conductor, variable, petrol is variable, oil and grease is variable, tires and tubes is variable, repairs is also variable, garage rent fixed cost as per CAS 5, road license fixed cost, taxes fixed cost, interest fixed cost. Okay, now see, this is something different. Salary of the operating manager also works as an accountant. Okay, 8,000 per month. Now, accountant salary actually is a fixed cost as per CAS 5. Okay, but see the word what is used, operating manager. Okay, so operating staff may how many people are included? When I had done the theory part, as per CAS 5, there are 4 people who are included. One is the bus driver, then is the conductor, then is the mechanic, and then is the cleaner. Okay, so as per the definition of operating staff, these 4 people come there. So the manager is not there. Fine. So don't look into the word operating manager. Okay, don't see that word operating manager and don't put it under variable cost. Is that clear? Look at the word which is given in the bracket, also works as an accountant. Okay, so this is going to be a fixed cost. Next, general supervision salary, that is also a fixed cost. Next, assuming that the company operates its fleet daily. Yeah, now students, look at this word. This is the highlight of the sum. It operates its fleet daily. That means, see ahead what is given. A certain operating cost per passenger kilometer. You have to calculate operating cost per passenger kilometer. Passenger kilometer indicates it's a composite cost unit. Fine. You are required to calculate the fare. What is fare? Revenue. Okay. That should be charged from the passenger to earn a profit. So how much profit percentage is given? 33 1/3% on the net takings. What are net takings? Revenue. Okay. And see, assume 360 days in a year. So this is gonna be a yearly cost sheet. Okay, am I clear to everyone till here? This last line which is given in bracket, assume 360 days in a year, that indicates that it's a yearly cost sheet. Okay, any doubts anyone has? Okay, so now let us start. What are we gonna first calculate? Obviously, running kilometers. Okay, we're gonna start with running kilometers. So this is how a transport company operates. Right? Working note number 1. Calculation of running kilometers. Okay, question number 14 was done last lecture. Fine. Okay. And question number 10, I had told you all to solve, right? And I said ki today I'll be giving you all the answer for the same. Okay. Right on. What is the formula? Vehicle. Number of vehicles a transport company owns. So number of vehicle into number of trips into number of ways into kilometers run into, it's gonna be days in a year now, okay, not months. Days in a year. Yeah. So start calculating. How many we have? First calculate for 30, then for 25, and then we are gonna total it. Okay, that will be a simple way out. So first I'm gonna calculate for 30 buses. Okay, so number of vehicle is obviously 30 into number of trips. There are 5 round trips, so it's gonna be 5 into 2. Don't forget that it's a round trip. I repeat, what's a round trip? Return journey is called as a round trip, going and coming back. Then number of ways, that's included here in the round trip, 2 ways. Kilometers run, so kilometers run is 11 kilometers into, it's given in the question 360 days in a year. Otherwise, I would have taken 365. But if the question is telling you 360, then take 360. Okay. Calculate your answer. Okay. So it's gonna be, the numbers are going to be obviously big, into 5 into 2 into 11 into 360. So it's 11 lakh 88,000 kilometers. Write it here. 11 lakh 88,000 kilometers. Here. Next, calculate for 25 buses. Calculation is gonna be same. Only number of vehicle will change. Rest all the other variables, 5 round trips, 11 kilometers, 360 days is gonna be same. Okay. So 25 into 5 into 2 into 11 into 360. So that is 9,90,000 kilometers. Write it down. 9,90,000 kilometers. Right? Okay. Obviously, we are going to add it because total, as a transporter, my total buses are 55. Okay. So now we will line and do the totaling. So this information is of 55 buses. Okay, don't forget, total this also. 11 lakh 88 plus 9 lakh 90. The answer is 21 lakh 78,000. So 21 lakhs 78,000 kilometers. Okay, am I clear about this till here? Yeah. Now, what is the twist in the sum? The twist in the sum is that they are saying 5 buses are always under repair. Okay, so 55 minus 5 is how much? 50. That means on road, मेरा रोज 50 गाड़ी चलता है. I repeat, on road, my only 50 vehicles are running, not 55, because they are saying every day some or the other 5 buses are in repair. So they may be in rotation, correct? So 5 buses are under repair. That means I am going to calculate for 50 buses. Okay, so you can write here 5 under repair. Matlab on road only 50 buses are running. So my running kilometers will be calculated not for 55 buses but for 50 buses. Is that clear? My petrol, my oil, my diesel, my all variable cost will not be for 55 buses. It is going to be only for 50 buses. Correct? Yeah. So cross multiply. You will get the answer for 50 buses. Am I clear? The answer is 19 lakh 80,000 kilometers. Okay, write it here. 19 lakh 88,000 kilometers. Okay, fine. Good. Few students have done the calculations also. Very good. Okay, fine. So हो गया हमारा the main part of the question, running kilometers, on which my variable cost is always calculated. So this is done. Correct. Now let us come to calculation of, it's a composite cost unit sum, right? So I will now calculate passenger kilometers. So come to the next part. Working note number 2, calculation of passenger kilometer. Okay, yeah. Right. So write down the formula. Running kilometers multiplied with number of passengers into percentage capacity. Okay. Right. Now you have 2 separate running kilometers and 2 separate carrying capacities. Both the buses don't have the same carrying capacity. Remember that. Okay. So first for 50 buses, sorry, 30. Individually you calculate, right? So for 30 buses, what is my running kilometers? 11 lakh 88,000. So 11 lakh 88,000 into number of passengers. 30 buses can carry 50 passengers each. The second one can carry 40 passengers each. And what is the carrying capacity in the question? Carrying capacities 80%. Fine. ठीक है. So 25 buses, 9,90,000 into 50 passengers, and here it is 40 passengers. And carrying capacity in both the cases is 80%. Okay, so do the calculation. So 11,88,000 into 50 into 80%. So the answer is 4 crores 75 lakhs 20,000. Okay, 4 crores 75 lakhs 20,000. See, it's a yearly sum, so the figures are, yeah, big. I mean, daily it is 360 days in a year का calculation दिया that is why. Okay, next 9,90,000 into 40 into 80%. So it is 3 crore 16 lakhs 80,000. Okay, 3 crores 16 lakhs 80,000. Right? Again, same way, cross multiply. This answer what we have calculated is for how many buses? 55 buses. Okay, total this. I know it's a big total, but we have to manage. 7 crore 92 lakhs. 7 crore 92 lakhs. If you want to avoid zeros, you can even write 792 lakhs like this. 792 lakhs if you want to avoid zeros. Okay, if. Cross multiply. For 50 buses, how much? 5 buses are always under repair, right? Seven crore 20 lakhs is my answer. 7 crore 20 lakhs. Okay. Is it clear till here? Acknowledge it in the chat box. And I don't want just 2-3 acknowledgements. No? Yeah. If you have any doubt, ask. If you don't, fool them. Okay. So this is always your first part of your, solution always, and you should always double check these solutions. Okay, fine, dear. Thank you so much, students. You should always double check the solution, Vidya, especially with respect to working notes. Because if this is wrong, then your whole variable cost will go wrong, and the cost per units what you will be calculating, the third column will also go wrong. So you can understand then what, how much marks can be deducted. That is why. Okay. Now make your cost sheet. Obviously, it's a yearly cost sheet. So write down operating cost sheet for the year, CAS 5, particulars amount column, and effective passenger kilometer column. I hope now by now you must have understood the meaning of effective. Okay, effective is after deduction. Okay, after consider net, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना, जैसे gross होता है, net is known as effective kilometers. Okay, like gross salary, net salary. So net salary is after deducting your taxes. Okay, that way. So effective passenger kilometer. So passenger kilometer, when I say, when I say only passenger kilometer, then I'm talking only about 55 buses. When I say effective passenger kilometers, I am talking about 50 buses. So that is the difference between only passenger kilometer and effective passenger kilometer. Clear? So my total is 55, but my effective passenger kilometer is on 50 buses. Why? Because 5 buses are always under repair. Okay, now start. Garage rent. And remember, it has to be yearly, okay? Don't forget that. Garage rent. 3,20,000 per year. So write it here. 3,20,000. Next, road license. 1,80,000 per year. 1,80,000. Next, taxes. 55,000 per half year means for 6 months, but we wanted yearly, na? So I will double the amount, okay? Multiply it with 2. So 55,000 multiplied with 2. I hope this part is clear. 55,000 because they have said it is half yearly, but I want my answers yearly. 55,000 into, so I'm doing the calculation here. 55,000 into 2. That makes it 1,10,000. So write it here. 1,10,000. Next, interest. 1,25,000 per year. Fine, it's yearly. I will not convert. 1,25,000. Next, general supervision salary. Okay, how much? 40,000, 40. 40,000, 40. And that operating manager salary. Operating manager's salary. Okay, 8,000 per month, but it's a yearly cost sheet. 8,000 into 12. Clear? 96,000 for the year. 96,000. Am I clear about this? Yeah. Then total it. Total your fixed cost, students. Yeah. 3,20,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 1,10,000 plus 1,25,000 plus 40,000 plus 96,000. So that makes it 8,71,000. Write it here. 8,71,000. Okay, cool. Fine. Next, variable cost. Okay. Salary of the driver. Salary of driver. Fine. 3,500 each per month. Okay. Now listen carefully. 3,500 each bola hai na? So 3,500 into how many buses we have in total? 55. So what assumption we'll take for every bus there is one driver. So multiplied with 55 buses. Okay, into 12. 3,500 each per month. So monthly, 12 months and 55 buses. For one bus, one driver, obviously. Okay. Now here you cannot take 50 because 50 to effective kilometers. Effective buses are 50. 5 buses are always under repair. Okay. Next. 2,200 each per month. Same logic for salary of conductor. Just a minute. 2,200, fine. So 2,200 into 55 into 12. Yeah? Yeah. So 3,500 into 55 into 12. 23 lakhs 10,000. 23 lakhs 10,000. Next 2,200 into 55 into 12. 14 lakh 52,000. 14 lakh 52,000. Okay. Next, petrol. Okay, let's see what petrol has to do with this. Petrol bus runs 10 kilometers per liter. Anyways, we'll have to do the calculation. I'm doing it here. Working note number 3. Working note number 3, we'll calculate petrol. Okay, ratio I will take liter, kilometer, and rupees. Okay, let's see what they have to say. 1 liter is for 50 rupees. Okay, so 1 liter, my bus is running 10 kilometers, and for 1 liter, I am paying 50 rupees. Okay, so what are my running kilometers? Running kilometers, huh, beta? Running kilometers 19 lakh 80, not 21 lakh 78, 19 lakh 80. This figure, मेरा variable cost इस पे calculate होगा. So this figure 19 lakh 80,000 kilometers का how much? So for 19 lakh 80,000 kilometers, how much? Okay. So my answer is 99 lakhs. So write it here. Petrol, working note number 3, 99 lakhs. Right? Very good. Few students are doing the calculation, verifying the answers. Very nice. Then oil. Oil ka what calculation they have said? Oil and grease. 1,500 each per month. Okay? Yeah. 1,500 into 55 buses into 12 months. 1,500 into 55 buses into 12 months. 9,90,000. 9,90,000. Okay. Next, tires and tubes. Tires and tubes. What is the amount? 2,20,000. No, tires and tubes is 1,100 per month. Okay, 1,100 per month. They have not used the word each. Okay, don't forget that. So 1,100 each nahi bola hai. So I'll not multiply with 55 buses. 1,100 per month bola hai. So 1,100 into 12 months. Okay. So exam mein all these minute details are very, very important. This may change your calculation and so your answer as well. You have to be very careful what is given. You need to understand. Repairs 2,21,000 per year. Good, we don't have to calculate, it's already ready made. 2,21,000. ठीक है, fine. Do the calculation. Yeah. Okay, so the answer is 1,48,86,200. 1,48,86,200. ठीक है. Total operating cost A plus B. So plus my fixed cost 8,71,000. 1,57,57,200. 1,57,57,200. ठीक है. Fine. Profit 33% बोला है on 33 1/3 on net takings. Fine. So let us do the calculation. Yeah. So this is 100. This is 100. This is 33.33. 1/3 is how much? 1 divided by 3 is how much? 0.33 plus 33 add करो उसको. So my this ratio is 33.33. Okay, it's recurring, students. So this is 66.66. Okay, cross multiply, you will get your answer. Fine, cross multiply, you will get the answer. And please go recurring, 66.66666. Yeah, go up to the digits of your calci. So my answer is 2 crore, rounded off, rounded off. 2 crore 36 lakhs 35,800. And yeah, students, don't forget to give your attendance also in the chat box. Yeah. Right? So last 2 minutes are there. Yeah. Don't forget to calculate the CPU. Main answer is this, right? This is the main answer. So I'm doing that part. Rest other part you can do it. Fine. So 2 crore 36 lakh 35,800. Divide by how much is my base? What was my answer there? 7 crore 20 lakhs. Okay, 7 crore 20 lakhs. Divide by 7 crore 20 lakhs. So my answer is 0.328 to 33. Okay, that's it. Rest other calculations you can do. The main answer I have shown you. So this is my fare per passenger kilometer. Okay, rest others you calculate and keep it. Fine. Total operating cost CPU Rest other part you guys can do it, right? So next lecture, obviously a different subject.